In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow in Adobe Express. First, open Adobe Express and import the logo or image to which you want to add the drop shadow. To do this, click on the Add option on the left side of your screen, then select Upload to import the image or logo from your device. In this example, I've imported a sample logo. Currently, Adobe Express does not provide a direct drop shadow effect option by default in the Effects section. However, you can manually create a drop shadow effect by following these steps. First, make sure your logo is aligned to the center of the page. Once it's properly aligned, right-click on your logo and select Duplicate to create a copy of your logo. The duplicate will appear as a separate layer on the right side of your screen. Ensure that both the original and duplicate are aligned perfectly. Next, select the duplicate layer. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to adjust its position. Press the right arrow key 3 to 5 times and the down arrow key 3 to 5 times. This will slightly shift the duplicate layer, creating the base for the drop shadow effect. Now, to create the blur effect, click on the Adjust option on the left side of your screen. Scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the blur slider. Adjust the slider to control the amount of blur, which will create the shadow effect. To fine-tune the transparency of the shadow, go back to the Edit section and adjust the opacity slider until you achieve the desired shadow look. If you want to change the color of the shadow, select the duplicate layer, click on the Effects section on the left side, and scroll down to the Duotone option. From here, you can select a custom color for the shadow. Once you're satisfied with the shadow, you can download the image by clicking on the Download button at the top right corner of your screen. That's how you can create a drop shadow in Adobe Express.